Thank you, Miss Evelyn. All right, so great to see everyone this morning. A lot of Disney going on today. Looks good, everyone. Let's get started with our flag salute.
Please stand. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you, Liz. All right, please be seated. All right, good morning. Welcome to our November Reward Assembly. Like I said, it's great to see everyone out here this morning. First thing we're going to do is look at our Soar Slip recipients. So let's review together what it means to soar here at Valley View. First, for S, we show self-control, offer,
kindness,
act
responsibly, respect others.
That was so good. I didn't even have to do it with you. Thank you. I love that. And we showed a lot of kindness this month with our food drive. We collected way over the 120 jars that they wanted us to collect, and we were able to donate a lot of other jars to a group that offers food to families in need. So we were able to help 2 different food drives with all of the pasta sauce that you brought in. Thank you so much. All right, here's our recipients for the Soar Slips. So, from the prize box, these students are going to come to the office at the start of your recess to grab something from the box. We have Anjali from Miss Perluian's class, Eloise from Miss Purcell, Michael from Miss Fitzgibbons, Alina Kay from Mrs. Bringus, and Eden from Miss Rivetto. Congratulations. All right, playground balls. You will also come to the office to collect your ball. We have Max M from Miss Lindley and Paige from Miss Rivetto. Congratulations. And then the recipient of the Froyo gift card can come up right now. And that's Chloe from Miss Fitzgibbons. All right, congratulations to everyone whose name I just called, but also to everyone who has earned a Soar Slip in November. Raise your hand if you've earned a Soar Slip in November. Raise your hand if you earned 2, 3, 4. Who thinks they've earned 5 or more? Wow, that's pretty impressive. Thank you for doing so many different things that show us that you're soaring. All right, time for our students of...
Bottom of the list. Sorry.
Oh my gosh. Thank you. And the recipient of our teacher gift card for Starbucks for giving out Soar Slips is Miss Rivetto. Come on up. So for November, our character education theme was citizenship. So looking at ways that we work together, that we support each other, and these students showed that and a lot more. So from Mrs. Barnett's class, we have Isla Clemens. So when I call your name, come on up and stay standing. And then at the end of the ceremony, come back up so we can take your picture. All right, from Miss Purcell's class, Juniper Trejo. From Ms. N's class, Dean Barley. From Mrs. Fitzgibbon's class, Eden Park. From Mrs. Gonzalez's class, Porter Nevins. From Mrs. Perluyan's class, Marcus Park. From Ms. Jenks' class, Cosette Hong. From Ms. Park's class, Arpi Patvakian. From Mrs. Lindley's class, Max Monticelli. From Mrs. Bringus's class, Olive Meinhardt. From Ms. Rivetto's class, William Abedian. And from Mrs. Weller's class, Alex Martirossi. All right, let's give all of our November students of the month a big round of applause. All right, thank you. You can be seated.
Good job, Olive. Good job. Good job, Olive. Good job, Olive.
And if anyone is missing their magnet, oh, maybe Juniper. No, she has hers. There you go. All right, and now for November, we also have personal success recipients. And from Mrs. Barnett's class, we have Abigail Lee for good effort. From Ms. Purcell's class, Alice Wilkinson for treating others with kindness. From Ms. N's class, Tatum Blair for working hard. From Mrs. Perluyan's class, Charles Scott for improvement in reading. From Mrs. Gonzalez, Dayana Jordan for improved math fluency. From Mrs. Fitzgibbon's class, Alex King, also for math fluency. From Ms. Jenks' class, Emily Gregorian for math skills. From Ms. Park's class, Nilo Leopando for strong improvement in English language arts. For Miss Lindley's class, Natasha Quiddiquid for hard work and success. From Mrs. Bringus, Alina Kralian for excellent effort in math.
I know.
From Ms. Rivetto's class, Tenny Sajanian. And from Mrs. Weller, Joey Jarrett for hard work on multiplication. All right, let's give all of our personal success recipients a round of applause. All right, you may be seated.
Good job, Alina.
All right, thank you. Before we get to our Valley View song, I want to wish all of you a wonderful Thanksgiving break.
You too.
You have all next week off of school, and we will see you back here on November 29th. I am incredibly thankful to be at Valley View as your principal every single day. I love working with all of you, with your teachers, with all of our staff here at Valley View. This is a wonderful place to be. We should be really thankful for this incredible view, for our good health, for our wonderful families, and for all of the learning that we're doing here at Valley View. So happy Thanksgiving. Have a safe and wonderful break. And I look forward to seeing you on November 29th. All right, let's sing our Valley View song. Why don't we stand up and get ready?
Let us sing to the colors of Valley View, to the white and the blue. We will always be true to our friends, to our teachers, to those that we knew. Hooray, hooray for Valley View. I spent this time at this our school, and I learned and hope it's teaching well. The skills to do, the courage to try, to work and to learn for all of our lives. Let us sing to the colors of Valley View, to the white and the blue. We will always be true to our friends, to our teachers, to those that we knew. Hooray, hooray for Valley View.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right, thank you everyone. Have a great rest of the day, and please give your attention to your teachers.